Well, I'm quite amazed. Look what I've done. I did it today. The sun's a bit low, it's probably around 5:30. But I have decided to go with the sheets over the top. And it's done-ish. I've got one coat of that light purple on the roof, because that was the biggest tin of paint that I picked up from the tip shop. Up tippity, that's what it's called. They get all the stuff off the tip. So the roof's quite well painted. And then I've got this beautiful yellow. It's lemon on the front. And then this, it's like Ukrainian golden yellow. Still drying. The roof's dried though. I've got two little windows. They're just shutters. See, I've got to still finish that corner there. I'm happy. My shoulder is very sore from that paintbrush, and all Charlie wants to do is play. See, these are the empty tins. None of them were full. And this side's just got a little bit of this and that. A little bit of green that I had lying about. And I put some tin around the fire. So this is the scrappy side, but this is the side that doesn't get the weather. It's all a bit scrappy inside. I'll probably put a paint of coat on the inside too. Well, I'm satisfied with today's work. That is good.